Delete a conversation in Wire Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and want to delete a conversation, then you are in the right place. First of all, start off by opening up the Wire application on your device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, from the Conversation tab, find the conversation you want to delete, press and hold it, and then in the pop-up, click on Clear Content. Now click on Clear in the pop-up at the bottom, and if you open up that conversation, you will see that you have deleted the entire conversations or the chats on the page. So that is how you can clear or delete a conversation in Wire Messenger. Now the conversation has been removed from your chat list, but keep in mind that deleting a conversation from your device may not remove messages from the other person's account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.